Welcome to Jam That Life music channel. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more inspiring music. Music you'll only find right here. Thank you ever so much for your support.
One love, Irene. But the vibe changed, me say. We can't just stand by. Jah is watching you. I'm from an island where things used to be crucial. One love, Irene, no problem, all mutual. But now me see wickedness try to take over the system, and we can't stand by and watch them mash up the kingdom. Used to go to bed, doors unlocked, window open. Now every house lock up tight like prison gate closing. Grill pon the window, burglar bar pon the door. Hard working citizen living in a war. Cause them no want work, them want everything easy. No conscience, no heart. Them spirit turn greasy, ripping families apart, putting nation in fear. But Jah eyes open and me know him the ear. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Every single thing you do. You think you get away, but me tell you it's true. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Every single thing you do. You think you get away, but me tell you it's true. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Just watch the news, a young schoolgirl gone missing. Mother and father crying, whole family wishing. But remember this, when you kidnap and kill a sister, you can't hide from the Almighty, him still a witness. When you rob and kill your brother, left the pitney and wife is suffer. Hold up a store, gun point in a cold blood. You think you get away, but Jah run through your blood. Wake up every day and study evil things. Wear the name bad man like a diamond ring. But me ask you, who give you the power to decide who feel live and who feel lose them life? Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Every single thing you do. You think you get away, but me tell you it's true. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Every single thing you do. You claim to get away, but me tell you it's true. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. You blame the ghetto for your wicked decision, but that's just excuse and self-made prison. No justification in not taking a life. Looking at yourself, have a heart, do what's right. It's not too late, you can't turn round. Cause what goes around must come back round. And when the time comes to pay what you do, remember, Jah is watching you. Too much violence, crime make me spirit sick. Robbing, looting, shooting, never solve it quick. You want a nice house, car, lifestyle, lavish, but easy come, easy go, blessings can't manage. You think you're safe, but you don't have a clue. When judgment call me, say what you gonna do. Cause just see everything from sunrise to do. And me warn you again, Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Every single thing you do. You think you get away, but me tell you it's true. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. Every single thing you do. You think you get away, but me tell you it's true. Jah is watching you. Jah is watching you. One love. One love. Live right, me people. Jah is watching you.
I want to thank all my amazing subscribers for your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. We're on our way to reaching 1,000 subscribers to keep the reggae, R&B, and hip-hop music we all love alive. Please share the link and tell a friend, because we have so much more good music coming your way. God bless and stay safe.